Let's say you want to start a home-based business and you have $1,000 to invest. You want a work-from-home business with the time freedom and the opportunity that that kind of business can give you, but you have no idea what kind of business you want to start. Don't worry, we've got you covered today. In this video, I want to tell you about 7 work-from-home, home-based businesses that you could start with some basic legwork in the beginning, and one of these businesses could be perfect for you to break the cycle of the 9-to-5 job. Hi, I'm Brandon, and I've had a work-from-home, home-based business for over a decade at this point, and it's given me the luxury to do some things that I would not have been able to do had I been working in a traditional 9-to-5 job. And you may want what a home-based business can give to you and to your family. So stick around to the end so you can find out about these 7 businesses that you can start for $1,000 or less. I'll even give you a sample budget so that you can see exactly how much it will cost to start one of these businesses. So you can choose what's best for you. Let's do this. First business I want to tell you about is lawn mowing. The startup cost for a lawn mowing business is very low, but it has the potential to generate an enormous revenue. As soon as you start making money, you can reinvest it into your business to buy a better mower, a truck, or a trailer, and also additional equipment. Lawn care is relatively easy and inexpensive to start, which makes for a great business investment. To succeed, you need an advertising plan. Think about flyers in a local neighborhood, a small investment for equipment, and a passion for providing good service in your lawn mowing business. According to Upflip, the first year of running a lawn care business can earn you about $5,000 to $50,000, and after a few years, owners of lawn mowing businesses can make anywhere from $160,000 to $250,000 per year. Long term, that feels like a pretty good investment for just $1,000 of startup cost. Sample budget for a new lawn mowing business would be a lawnmower for $250 to $500, a weed eater or weed whacker for $100, leaf blower for $100, various hand tools for $100, and registering your business with the state, about $250. All told, you can start this business for as little as $800. Second business I want to tell you about is website design. So if you know a little bit about website design or designing websites, you can run a website design business from your basement. What makes website creation profitable? Well, first and foremost, websites are always in demand. People are starting new businesses every month, and older businesses need to get their website refreshed on a regular basis. And as you gain experience in web design, you can start adding corresponding services like SEO or advertising management. These are services that can pay you a monthly revenue. According to Editor X, experienced web designers can earn between $50 and $80 per hour. That's pretty good money. As for where to pick up new clients, you can check out a freelance platform like Upwork or Fiverr. And once you get established and you're good at what you do, you'll start earning referrals from satisfied customers. A sample budget for a new website design business would be $450 for a new computer, a couple $100 for software, $50 a month for internet service, and $250 for business registration with the state. All told, your initial investment would be something in the range of about $950 for the first month. Third business I want to tell you about is cleaning houses. Now, a cleaning business can be very lucrative. There's always homes to be cleaned, and you can usually find somebody to help you out for a reasonable rate. The best part of a cleaning business is the low upfront cost, and especially if you're willing to do a lot of the work yourself. As far as what you need to purchase, rags, bags, scrub brushes, cleansers are really the only tools you're going to need to get the job done. Similar to lawn mowing, your business is going to require marketing to attract the right clientele. Same kind of thing, flyers in the right sort of neighborhoods can help you generate your first few clients. You can get started in residential cleaning, that's cleaning homes, a lot easier than you can for commercial, but the sky's the limit. You don't have to stay with residential homes. When you get contracts for commercial cleaning, it tends to be a lot more lucrative in the future. So for those who want to invest their first $1,000 into a cleaning business, a sample budget could be something like cleaning equipment and products for $250, business insurance for about $500, and business registration with the state around $250. So all told, you're in this new business for about $1,000. Fourth business I want to tell you about is custom photography. If you have any experience with photography, maybe you should start a home-based photography business. According to Petapixel, annual revenues from photography amount to $10 billion in the US. If you're just starting out, you may need to decide whether you want to specialize in a particular photography niche or be a jack of all trades. When you specialize, you can focus your marketing efforts and easily land follow-up assignments outside of your niche as well. Starting off as a custom photographer will require a camera and some basic equipment. For clients, you could advertise with friends and families, and then eventually ask for referrals when you get further established in your business. As far as startup costs go, camera package is gonna run you around $600. Of course, you can always spend more, but we're trying to keep the expenses low to start us off, and $250 to register the business with the state. Fifth business I want to tell you about is tech consulting. The IT industry can be extremely lucrative. According to IBIS World, the industry is expected to generate $546.9 billion in revenue in 2022. It's also a professional route that allows for a lot of freedom and customization of your lifestyle. The IT consulting business can focus on a number of different areas. It doesn't matter if you offer managed IT services, hardware repair, software consulting, or cloud services. Hardware or software is the first investment you need to make if you want to invest your money. A computer and some basic office supplies are essential, as are an insurance policy just in case things get a little shaky with your first clients. The first step to growing your business is to market your IT services. So assuming you have experience in the area, you want to reach out to your previous relationships, possibly on LinkedIn, and build those relationships up with newer people in the startup community or in networking events. Meet decision makers, connect with people at conferences. Once you build your network, you're going to see how much that $1,000 startup cost really could take you into your new home-based business. So business insurance will run you around $500, registering your business with the state, $250. You might have to purchase some software, and I am assuming that you have a computer if you are considering an IT consulting business. All told, you're in the new business for $750, assuming you have a computer. By the way, if you're getting any value from this video, I would love it if you could smash that like button, or you can also click it. That gives the YouTube algorithm just a little bit more information to say, hey, this video is kind of cool. Maybe other people can benefit from it. So smash the like and let's move on. A sixth business I want to tell you about is mobile game development. Many people may be unaware that the mobile game development niche is an extremely profitable one. According to the Business of Apps, annual app and game revenues were $133 billion in 2021. That's billion with a B. Of course, developing a high quality mobile app will require some startup capital. With only a few $1,000s, you can start developing a small mobile game with microtransactions and grow your business from there. Or better yet, to keep your initial startup expenses low, you can get started as a freelancer building apps for other companies that are building apps. Search on a platform like Upwork or Fiverr to get your first well-paying mobile app development gigs. Computer will run you starting around $450, business license around $250, so all told, you're in the new business for $700 without software. Now this seventh business might be something that's a little out of left field, but I thought it was super cool. I wanted to include it. That's dog walking. Now there's many types of care for animals, like pet care and grooming, boarding, and doggy daycare. All those can be profitable and they're kind of interesting if you like animals, especially dogs. But the one that's really taking off is this dog walking business. Depending on where you live, you need to be in an urban or suburban area. You can sign up for one of these dog walking services like Rover or Wag, and you can get started in this business as soon as you are approved. The beautiful part about this kind of business is the only startup cost you need to be concerned about is having a mobile phone and phone service so that you can use the apps on your phone. So a mobile phone will run you around a couple $100, and cell phone service is running you $50 a month and possibly a lot less. So you're in this business for $250 or less, depending on what kind of phone and service you get. Plus all the fun you can have by just walking dogs. So there you have it, 7 home-based businesses you can start for $1,000 or less. And if you're interested in these kind of videos, this is the kind of content that we're going to be churning out. Home-based business, remote work, mindset, with a dash of inspiration thrown in. So consider subscribing if you want more of this awesome content and you want to succeed in your home-based business. And stay tuned for the next video. All the best.